I believe I could run a half marathon with no training. When you gonna come? Cause I got pre-workout. My goal is to hit at least 3 hot yoga classes. Hey, if you new here, I'm Asia G, and if you're not, welcome back. This is gonna be a week of workouts. Today is Sunday, and I just finished a hour and 15 minute power flow. I've been doing yoga as a workout, which it still is, because this is going to count as part of my workout for Sunday. However, I'm reading the book, The Holistic Approach, basically to mental health, which connects body, mind, spirit, soul. And she talks about a client she had that used yoga as like a healing practice, which of course, you know, I've heard before. And so like Friday I went to yoga, and today I went to yoga, and I've been trying to practice like what I read in that book to really connect to what's going on in my body, to really kind of feel it, be in there, not let my mind wonder about the things that I have to do once I leave yoga or things that happen before yoga, to really just be in the experience. And so Friday and today, which is Sunday, my yoga has been a little bit different. I have been like sitting in the uncomfortableness of like the stretches and not trying to rush out of them, and just really focusing in like where I feel like the uncomfortable feeling in my body, and like sending my breath there, which sounds so woo-woo, but it actually worked. I think a lot of times when I think about change, I think about physical change, and I just feel like I want to change, but like a mental change, the way I interact with the world, the way I interact with people, the way that I process and interpret things. And so I feel like I want to change. I think the easiest thing for me to always do in moments like this is to reach for a physical change. So weight loss, weight gain, getting up earlier, going to sleep on time, things like that. But I really want to reach for a mental change of how I interact in the world. And so I know that's a lot to start off this week of workouts, but that's where I am right now, and I wanted to share that. So welcome to a week of workouts, and I'm gonna do a little bit of cardio. If it's the treadmill, I'll skip it. If I go for a run, I'll bring you guys along. And if not, I will see you guys Monday, which is gonna be a gym day. All right, see you guys soon.
She got me entangled, faking me like Rango, dancing like it's tango. I'm in over my head. She got me entangled, faking me like Rango.
Hey, amigas. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué está tu día? Estoy a ser ejercicio, no muy duro, pero voy a trabajar. Hey, how y'all doing? How's your day? I'm working out, but not hard, but it's gonna be work. That's the gist of what I said. How many of y'all downloaded the Spanish dictionary app? Okay, who did it? It's free. That and Duolingo. We getting our Spanish on. Estoy haciendo el trabajo. I'm doing the work. And I'm gonna get this back up. It's at 200 on each side. Y'all know my goal is to get back to at least 235.
I'm in over my head. Two left feet, I'm twisted up. 3-step, 2's not enough. For you, it's the price I pay. 5 below, almost in the grave. Gotta hand it to you, got me stumbling hard. I got the sinking feeling that you're leading me on. I don't mind it, kinda like it. She got me entangled, faking me like Rango, dancing like it's tango. I'm in over my head. She got me entangled, faking me like Rango, dancing like it's tango. I'm in over my head. Pull me closer now. Pull me closer now. Pull me closer now. Pull me closer. Pull me closer. Pull me closer now. Pull me closer now. Pull me closer now. Pull me. She got me entangled.
I was gonna try to skip out without doing no abs, but I can't go out like that. I didn't get this far to betray myself. So let's do some abs, and then we're gonna do some cardio. And then we're gonna go home. This gym day is good, y'all. Get into it.
Faking me like Rango, dancing like it's tango. I'm in over my head, over my head. She got me entangled, faking me like Ringo, dancing like it's tango. I'm in over my head, over my head.
Here on the run, as you can see, but I do want to incorporate running, at least once a week, child. And I think the thing is, I believe I could run a half marathon with no training. And that's arrogance. The arrogance of knowing that you ran before and you could do it again. I could do it again. Woo! Good and bad thing about running 3 miles. The good first is that it's short. The bad or is that like your body really starts to set in after mile 2. And after that you only have 1 mile left. So like you flying on the last mile when really your body is just not getting warmed up to do all. Wait, not me running 11-minute miles talking about somebody flying on the last mile. I think I need to break 10 before I stay flying again. Gotta keep myself together. It's about an hour to an hour and a half later, and we're going to go to a yoga class. This will be my second yoga class of the week. My goal is to hit at least 3 hot yoga classes a week, so we're doing good. On to the second one, then I have 1 left for the rest of the week, and anything extra that I do for hot yoga is just that extra. So let's go move. Well, let's try that again. I need the whole thing. There we go.
To make quick decisions. I want every single person things, and you might.
Hey.
These like from white dress. This is just a mini dress, but okay. I don't have it right back.
Feliz Juves, happy Thursday. I need a mental health day. I need a mental health day where I get on my couch and sit there and get myself together. Nothing's wrong. Sometimes I get like this. No rhyme or reason that I can identify readily at this moment. So we're going to do the gym. It's probably a light workout with more cardio than an actual lift. And then we're going to go home. I think I'll sit on the couch for an hour. Have me a mental health hour. That's what we're going to do. We're going to have a mental health hour. Then I'm going to get myself together. And I'm going to go to work. Because I don't want to let my coworkers down. When you like your coworkers, it's real hard. It's really hard to say I'm not going to come in there today. So let's do all of the things. And if I brought y'all energy down in the middle of this video, no lo siento. I'm not sorry. No lo siento. Puedo estar honesto con nuestros. Because I can be honest with you guys. So I can be honest with us here. It ain't all rainbows and high energy. But the energy gonna come. I didn't miss my eyebrows. But the energy gonna come. Because I got pre-workout. I got a plan in my head. We're gonna do back tries cardio. I weighed myself this morning on 129. My body wants to respond. I'm just gonna keep saying it wants to. I don't feel like I should really lower my calories. I feel like 1,700 calories is already kind of low. So I think the other part that really is going to go in there is like looking at my cardio. Because I'm doing cardio, but it's not an intense cardio. My heart rate needs to be at least between 133 and 144. guys, in the car, I was saying how I was going to, so in the saying that I probably need to look at my calories or look at my cardio. In a couple of weeks, I'm not losing weight. What I didn't say is my body looks good. Like, I can look at it and tell that it's changing. So I may just need to just hold. Like, I already was planning to hold for 2 weeks, but I do want to acknowledge that my body physically looks tighter. So it is making changes. It's just not showing up on the scale. And I will say, like, what's been really helpful, like, what made me shift in the gym, just really just thinking about my body, is like, I've been watching like bodybuilder style videos, like the bodybuilder YouTubers. I can't get my words out. Bodybuilder YouTubers, they're getting ready to go to their big championship, which is like the Olympia. And so I've been watching them because they've been on prep for like the past couple of months. And the big thing that like a lot of people were saying was like they were seeing their body was changing, but their weight wasn't changing. And so I just thought about that, like, as I was working out, like, Age, you know, it's fine. It's fine. Why I don't want to be a bodybuilder, I don't want to be shaped like a bodybuilder. I do admire, like, their tenacity, their persistency, and just, like, all of the knowledge that they have, like, around their body and knowing their body and getting it to respond and all that kind of stuff. So even though I'm not losing weight, my body is responding physically where I can see, like, changes in it. Like, I can noticeably see changes with my own eyes. So I will say that. Back to the workout. Against my window, I can't stand the rain. Against my window, I can't stand the rain.
Huge priority, which I didn't really expect, but kind of makes sense. But I can say reading one book was something that was actually a challenge for me because I didn't read anything in July, or I think I did.
Alright, you guys, and that's gonna be this week of workouts. Today is Friday. I got a really late start with my exercise. I went to a 5:30 yoga class, which you guys saw, and then I'm just gonna do 45 minutes of cardio on the treadmill. But y'all done seen this treadmill all video, so y'all know I gets down on the treadmill. So we're gonna end the day with that. It was such a good week of workouts. Like, overall, I hit everything except one run. I only ran once, and my goal was to run twice. But I hit the 3 yoga class, I hit the 2 gym days, I hit a home workout. So overall success. But I'm curious, what do y'all week of workouts look like? Are y'all mostly bodybuilding? Are y'all like bodybuilding style gym workouts? Are y'all doing HIIT workouts? Are y'all cycling? Are y'all running? Yoga, Pilates? What do y'all week of workout look like? And what keep y'all really consistent? Oh, and do y'all do home workouts? Hopefully y'all found some kind of inspiration from this week, and I will see you guys really soon, because I got little ideas swirling around in my mind about what I want to upload. I'm feeling really creative the month of September, so be looking out for some other stuff coming really soon. And in the next video, I have something exciting that involves my vision board that I am going to share with you guys. So I will see you guys next week, and until then,